Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. So this is a new video and this is in collaboration with Handmade Chows, and I'm so excited because I have been waiting for this parcel since 4 to 5 days now, and I have got the update that it has arrived. So as soon as I got this parcel, I couldn't wait and I'm just shooting the video right away. So just pause this video and comment down below that what do you think that what is inside. So this is something which is made with hand. So handmade things are really amazing, guys, because it gives different feel to us. And also I have to say that this is very well packed, and I have never seen the turquoise color bubble wrap, and thank you so much for this. It is so well packed. Mostly I have observed that some parcels are not well packed and the things inside gets affected by the shipping process. So I think the packaging things also matter, and I think I will give 10 out of 10 in packaging. So let me very slowly remove the package. So I can see 2 boxes, and we can pop and play with this after some time. Thank you so much for this, Handmade Chows. This is good. So these are 2 boxes which I have got. I know that what is inside, so I am so excited to use them. So first I will open this box. I don't know that in which box what things are there. Oh wow, I think this is the correct side. Hey, I can see a thank you card. Let me focus my camera first. Thank you. Your order made my day. Your support is much appreciated, and I am looking forward to hearing your thoughts on your purchase. From Handmade Chows. Thank you so much, Handmade Chows, for this collaboration, and it is so beautiful for choosing chows. Wow. And this is her Instagram handle. You can just go and follow her page. She has so amazing products. I'm sure you would love. So this is the parcel, and thank you for your order. And also this thank you sticker is so aesthetic, and I have never seen someone putting the package. So it has some glittery little circles, so it gives a very pop-up feel. Hey, so this is a pendant. Wow. And guys, all this is made from clay. You can just imagine. It is so beautiful. I can actually feel the hard work gone into this. It is so beautiful. And she has put some double-sided tape just to protect it from the shipping things, and it is so perfect that see the detailing. The flowers look so vibrant. I think this will go with all of my outfits. The chain is also of very good quality. So let us see the next thing. So this is a earring. Let me detangle it. It is so different and unique design. You can carry it with kurtis, you can wear it with jeans, you can also wear it with ethnic dresses, even lehengas. So this has a little glitter texture, and not only it gives a little traditional touch, but also it looks so aesthetic and ethnic. at the same time. So I'm so excited to try them off. So the pendant, I'm showing this again because it looks so beautiful and it is worth just watching it. And also I wish that you can also grab them. You can just check out Handmade Chow's Instagram handle. She has amazing collection of clay jewelry. I'm keeping the first box aside, and this second box is not just a small box. You can say that it is a chota packet bada dhamaka. And also we have another thank you card. Thank you so much for the another card. It really means a lot that people are sending these things. And I have to tell you guys that not only these kind of earrings, she has amazing collection of different earrings. Again we have a handmade with love sticker. You can also use the sticker also. You can just use it for your decorating your planners or your books. And here we have some more earrings. Oh, I think one of the earring, it has fallen, but no problem. I will just use Fevicryl for it. It is completely fine, guys. In the shipping process it gets like this, I think, sometimes, but no problem. I can fix it very easily, so nothing to worry. This is also very beautiful. And this one is of baby pink color. You can see, and it also has some glitters. So golden glitters give it a very nice look. And this reminds me like a chocolate with a little hearts on it. And also we have, so this earring is based on Valentine's theme, I guess, because it has little hearts and the color is also red and white. So these are our 5 earrings and 1 pendant, and all these are made with clay, and not only clay, with all hard work and passion and efforts. So supporting small businesses is so amazing, that because all these are made with so much of love, so much of efforts and time. So if you want to purchase anything from Handmade Chow's, just I have given the link in description. You can easily buy from them. Follow Handmade Chow's Instagram handle and you will find some amazing collection over there. If you are new to my channel, then do subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon to never miss any video, and share this video, give it a thumbs up if you love the video. And this is a small animation for you guys. I hope you will love it, and see you in the next video with a new collaboration, with a new concept and new artworks. Thank you so much, and bye bye with lots of love.